Local news for Wednesday, the 8th of April. Wairarapa businesses have taken advantage of the wage subsidy scheme, where the public can now search who's claimed wage subsidies as well and how much on the Ministry of Social Development website. There's been an increase in dog attacks in Masterton since the COVID-19 lockdown was in place. 18 incidents already have been recorded. In one case, a woman required medical treatment for minor injuries after an attack, and an animal control officer required an ambulance. 6 animals have also been attacked. Anyone walking their dog is asked to do so on a leash. Local business Wairarapa is keeping businesses in touch virtually. Every Friday at 10:30am, business people are invited to catch up and share thoughts, ideas and share what they're up to, as it's a difficult and stressful time for many. Businesses can start applying to their banks for loans under the Business Finance Guarantee Scheme. And bowelscreening.co.nz is offering at-home bowel screening tests for everyone. Currently, free testing is available at several DHBs, including Wairarapa. And those needing regular blood tests and in the at-risk category can apply to MedLab for staff or community nurses to visit them in their home. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.